Hey guys, you're watching Cait Up and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple but super yummy ginger carrot soup that can be made in your crock pot. The best part is that there's a little bit of prep because we're going to run, I call it the motorboat, but an immersion blender through it at the end. So you really don't even have to chop things up that much. I actually threw in about 30 or 40 baby carrots this size, and we're actually just going to throw them in like that and get started. We're going to do the same thing with one whole large white onion. I kind of quartered it up just to make it a little bit easier, but you could dump it right in. Again, same thing with about 5 garlic cloves. Just go ahead and put them in. After that, you're going to want to get in your chicken broth. So you're going to do 1 container like this of a chicken. If you're trying to make this recipe vegan, you could do a veggie broth as well. And then we're going to add in a cup of a coconut milk. The coconut milk actually adds a nice creaminess, but if you don't want to use coconut milk or don't have coconut milk, you can also use an almond milk or just a regular heavy cream. After that, we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of a lightly dried ginger. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon or so of parsley. Just a little bit of pepper. And that's it. It's pretty easy. We're going to give it a stir so it's nicely blended. And then we're going to just cover this up and let this cook in our crock pot for about 3 to 4 hours on high or about 7 hours on low. After that, we're going to take an immersion blender, get it all blended together, and enjoy. And after that, you have yourself a delicious ginger carrot soup made in your crock pot. Super easy. It smells delicious and it tastes delicious. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every week and find me on Instagram, Cait Cooking, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.